everyone, this is a happiness project, Hap-Kit, which is a happiness toolkit. We have divided it in 6 sections, namely resilience, digital detox, youth happiness first aid, body relaxation, spiritual sense, and disciplined mind. Let's look at the body relaxation section. We have practice cards along with a box of incense cone which you can light to calm your surroundings. Then, for the spiritual sense, we have practice cards along with a gratitude jar. Pick a slip and reflect on something positive in your life. Moving ahead, for the disciplined mind section, we have practice cards along with a mirror affirmation element which reminds you to speak kindly to yourself whenever you are self critical. Moving ahead to the resilience section, we have practice cards along with a bounce back jar. Pick a reminder when facing a challenge. Moving ahead for the current digital age, we have digital detox, in which we have practice cards along with a keep your phone here stand to keep your phone here whenever you want a digital detox. Moving ahead to our youth happiness first aid. In this, we have practice cards. Along with that, we also have a stress ball. Thank you and have a great day.